the reply that I have already received from R1, it is the same medicine in the new bottle. You know, there is nothing new. That report is saying that we will be doing.
Raise an objection saying that this 2001 rules have been repealed.
That is the measures that they are taking.
नहीं अभी ये heard on reserve है ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट में.
उसके पास डिस्पोज ऑफ ऑर्डर उसके पीछे रिपोर्ट इसी बात देयर इज वन रिपोर्टिंग उसमें अच्छा
Dog issue Supreme Court disposal of petition asks parties to approach High Courts based on ATC rules 2023.
नहीं पर ठीक है माइलॉर्ड्स आपने कहा रिपील हो गए रिपील नहीं हुए 2000 इनफैक्ट ये 2023
सर मैंने पेज नंबर 92 पे लगाए नए वाले रूल्स जो
नहीं नए रूल्स और पुराने रूल्स का रिपील होना माइलॉर्ड ये बिल्कुल डिफरेंट प्रपोजिशन है.
अरे बाद में देखेंगे अभी तो आप पहले कॉपी दे दीजिए इनको कॉपी इज नॉट अवेलेबल इसमें लिखेंगे लेट दी comprehensive report filed on behalf of respondents number 4 to 7 be supplied to the petitioner. ठीक है ना यही दे दीजिए जी कॉपी अभी दे रहे हैं कि बाद में देंगे
माइलॉर्ड मैं देख ही रहा हूँ
within 3 days.
Sir, also there is a request from respondent number 6 under I4314 where they're asking for deletion of their name from the case, and I have a submission to make on that.
Respondent number 4.
Respondent number 6.
Respondent number 6 कौन है?
State.
Deleting the name of
state is being implemented through its chief secretary.
Yes.
So that is in common parlance, my lord, and even in legal parlance, chief secretary is not required to be implemented as a.
Sir, I am a common citizen. I don't know the technicalities of the matter, but the point that I wanted to say why I think that it was important is because there are multiple departments which are falling into the subject. It's just not municipal corporation. It is also Department of Animal Husbandry. It's also Department of Education. I'm sorry.
My lords, in fact, whatever is the submission of the petitioner about legal understanding, but we are not challenging the legal understanding. We are just bringing on record what is the more appropriate manner.
Which is the appropriate department?
That's what. Therefore, my lord, chiefs.
Which is the department?
For state, my lord, it's a veterinary department. Yes.
Principal Secretary, Animal Husbandry.
Animal Husbandry.
But sir, it is Principal Secretary, Animal Husbandry, also Principal Secretary, Urban Development, also Principal Secretary, Department of Education, also Principal Secretary with Family and Health Welfare, because so many injections to the victims are being put, you know, the Family Welfare Department is also.
रिपोर्ट के हिसाब से 55,000 केसेस हुए पिछले एक साल में इंदौर में.
नहीं,
so that is why so many departments are falling into the subject matter. That is why I think that Chief Secretary should also be a party. Rest you decide, sir.
No, normally Chief Secretary is not the.
Okay, sir. No. Okay.
State of MP is always represented through the Principal Secretary
of the department.
So that is why they have taken the objection.
Okay, no.
So you can file an application for implementing appropriate departments through the Principal Secretary. At that time, we'll allow this application also. Okay. So file that application. जो भी 3-4 department आप बोल रहे हैं कि they are concerned.
Yes.
So let them be implemented.
And they are all parties. They are all respondents, but they are all 10 of them. The names that I have just said. Department of Education has not filed their reply.
No, nobody is party here.
नहीं
इसमें नहीं है ना.
नहीं इनफैक्ट दोनों पिटिशंस का अदरवाइज प्रोजेक्शन भी थोड़ा डिफरेंट है.
यस सर.
मतलब क्या हो रहा है
इनके मैडम के केस में ऑल डिपार्टमेंट्स आर नॉट पार्टी
नॉट इंप्लीटेड एंड माय लॉर्ड्स फर्दरमोर दैट इज मोर ऑफ एजुकेशनल नेचर की कैसे प्रमोट करके ये पूरा कैसे सबको कल्चर्ड और सिविलाइज्ड इसमें बनाना है ऐसा इनका इस पीआईएल का प्रोजेक्शन है. वेयरएज माय लॉर्ड सेकंड पीआईएल का प्रोजेक्शन है कि डॉग मेनेस डॉग बाइट्स को कैसे कंट्रोल करना है. इनफैक्ट माय लॉर्ड जो मेजर्स डॉग बाइट के लिए अदरवाइज लेते हैं दैट इज नॉट अग्रीएबल टू द पिटिशनर इन अनदर पिटिशन. So in fact the projection of both the petitions is not one and same, my lords.
Yes.
I think we want effective curbing of this menace.
Yes, and we are only in assistance to my lords because my lord we have said also that we are not adversarial litigating this subject, my lords. This is a problem.
It's a very alarming situation in the city.
Merely filing compliance report will not solve it, but
Will
there
not
is
solve.
no progressive approach seen from filing of
Let you go through the compliance report. You come with the specific points.
You file the reply to this
Generic,
complaint. What action they should take and what they are taking or not taking.
and under what
They need to
provisions?
the notice, they will direct them to comply
Yes.
accordingly.
Yes.
some of the suggestions which the petitioner.
नहीं orally नहीं
No, sir, writing में दिए हैं, accept ही नहीं करे हैं, पहले से दे रखे हैं, 2023
Petition में अभी compliance report दिया ना इन्होंने.
जी सर.
एक तो कॉपी आपके पास अभी है नहीं, उसको ले लीजिए और पढ़ लीजिए उसको. उसके बाद में ये जो कर रहे हैं सही कर रहे हैं गलत कर रहे हैं, you point out.
I have a big caution here that the rejoinder that I made last time, after that they have given this report, right? So I don't think they have even read the rejoinder because everything is mentioned in the rejoinder, but they still come with the same old reply, sir.
My lords, it is a 1,000-page petition.
So ultimately we will have to direct them.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So please, in brief, point out these are the rules. These rules have to be followed. They are not following. They have not said anything in the compliance report. Then we'll see the rules. है ना? Hear you. Thereafter we'll direct them. Then they have to comply accordingly.
So one.
Now, Supreme Court has already reminded that the matter to the concerned high courts. Take a call on this issue.
So one important thing that we must work together on is counting the number of dogs in the town. Because even if they are doing
For
sterilization,
that we'll have to issue a direction.
we will prepare a report for that and submit.
Comprehensive नहीं मतलब brief.
Yes.
Pointing out कि these are the rules or these are the under which they are supposed to do all these things. So we'll direct them.
Exactly.
Accordingly.
That was decision in law. my lord.
Yes.
And
The rules are taking care of, my lord, the new methods which has been followed.
नहीं,
हाँ.
but they will have suggestion.
Now 2023.
फिर अभी इनको अपन डायरेक्शन देंगे नए रूल के मुताबिक. And then we'll ask, we'll keep this petition pending, ask for compliance. They have done.
So,
We'll have to monitor this.
Animal Welfare Board of.
Suppose if we dispose of them, nothing will happen.
I have one important point to say here that I am here P1 and P2. Their prayer is totally different than what I have been asking.
We'll hear
So that
separately.
the prayer is totally as per the rules and laws. That prayer is not possible to put.
नहीं,
on the doors.
instead of filing this 1,000 pages petition,
Yes.
अभी आप रूल को पढ़िए पहले और इसमें क्या क्या स्टेप्स फॉलो करना है, क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो पॉइंट आउट करिए और क्या करना चाहिए according to the rules. Then we'll direct them, we'll frame the guidelines. Yes.
Sure.
But their suggestion should be practical enough because what we are suggesting is the
Any suggestion must be in consonance of the rules.
in the petition.
मन से अपन कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
कुत्ता निकलना कुत्ते पे लड्डू बोलना
नहीं, आपको नहीं बोलना है तो आप-
कुत्ता निकलना कुत्ते पे लड्डू
नहीं
बोलना
सर ये
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होगा.
No, I am not saying this. This
He is
is
suggesting कि कुत्ते को राखी बांध दे हर आदमी जाए
no sir.
on रक्षा
This is-
this is not taking
No,
And if someone is not willing to undertake this exercise, my lord,
sir,
ये
it's
ठीक है.
हमारा कंसर्न तो प्रार्थना नहीं करे बस हो जाए.
in sir यदि
प्रार्थना नहीं चाहिए होता बस हो गया.
So, यदि इनको सब्जेक्ट का निचोड़ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि ये सब्जेक्ट क्रूरता के साथ सॉल्व नहीं हो सकता है, ये सब्जेक्ट सिर्फ दया के साथ सॉल्व हो सकता है क्योंकि वो जानवर एक ही चीज समझता है, दया. यदि उसको खाना देते हैं, पानी देते हैं, प्यार भरा व्यवहार करते हैं तो उसके मुंह में भी हाथ डाल दिया जाए तो वो नहीं काटेगा सर. सिर्फ इसीलिए समझाया जा रहा है कि उसके साथ प्यार भरा बर्ताव करिए. बस 2 मिनट सर.
तो आपको ये डॉग बाइट्स रोकने की पीआईएल है कि
नहीं है.
उनके साथ व्यवहार करने की पीआईएल? बाइट्स रोकने की पीआईएल है कि
नहीं है.
उनके साथ व्यवहार करने की पीआईएल?
There is legislation on this point, my lord.
That is
Even
I am
dog census.
Yes, dog
It's not practically possible कि dog का census
Change of territory of stray dogs cannot be monitored, my lord, so closely that even dog count would keep on changing, my lord.
That will examine.
minus 10%, but we need to have the
Now this
number.
margin, from where this margin is coming, 10 plus minus 10.
Unless, how do we identify the problem unless we don't have the measurement of it?
Now, objections we filed within 2 weeks. 2 weeks we are granting you 2 weeks
Yes,
time.
enough.
2 weeks time to file the reply objection to the comprehensive report filed by respond number 1,
4 and 7.
4 and 5, 4 and 7.
Sir.
It is like 5 or 6 maybe.
And list in the week commencing. 5th of August.
सर ये सेकंड रिपोर्ट 6 इंपॉर्टेंट पार्टी है, इनका रिप्लाई में मैटर करेगा। एनिमल वेलफेयर बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया और स्टेट एनिमल वेलफेयर इनकी सर्विस अवेटेड है, तो सर रीनोटिस कर दें इनको या
नहीं नहीं, सर्विस इश्यू नोटिस होगा था इसमें।
हो चुका है सर, 5 और 6 की सर्विस अवेटेड है।
कैसे मालूम आपको?
सर वो ऑनलाइन रिपोर्ट सर्विस का कॉलम आता है।
5 and 6 कौन है?
एनिमल वेलफेयर बोर्ड।
एनिमल वेलफेयर बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया और स्टेट एनिमल, सर कुछ हद तक इनकी पिटिशनर की ग्रीवेंस सॉल्व हो जाएगी। दे आर द अथॉरिटीज टू लुक आफ्टर देम।
तो अभी तो जब तक वो अनसॉल्व्ड आ जाए तब तक कैसे करेंगे उसको? वी हैव टू वर्क
इसमें भी डायरेक्टेड टू
the office Learned Council for petitioner submit that the service of notice on 5 and 6. Respond number 5 and 6 is awaited. Office is directed to furnish the report, service report on the next, on or before the next date of hearing. चलिए list along with.
Thanks.
I'm praying for the 2 week time to file the rejoinder one.